What if I told you that achieving a grades isn't about being a genius? It's not magic, it's a science. A process so logical and structured, it's governed by one immutable law, the law of equivalent exchange. In alchemy, to obtain something of equal value must be lost. In academics, to obtain an asterisk grade, an equivalent value of focused, precise, and intelligent effort must be given. The problem is, most students give a mountain of chaotic, wasted effort and wonder why they get so little in return. Today, that ends. We are not just studying for an exam. We are preparing for the State Alchemist certification. This is your 10-day regimen to transmute your hard work into academic gold. Phase 1, Days 1-2. Deconstruction. Understanding the laws. Before an alchemist can perform a transmutation, they must first understand the fundamental laws of the universe. Deconstruction, reconstruction. Your first 2 days are not for studying content. They are for deconstructing the laws of your exam. Day 1, Intelligence gathering. Download the last 5 years of past papers, mark schemes, and crucially, the examiner's reports for your subject. This is your research material. Day 2, the grand analysis. Create a master document. Go through every paper and categorize every single question. Identify the high-value targets, which topics appear every year, which question formats are worth the most marks. By the end of Day 2, you will have a scientific understanding of the battlefield. Phase 2, Days 3-6. Targeted acquisition. Gathering the materials. An alchemist doesn't use random ingredients. They gather the precise materials needed for a specific transmutation. Now that you know the high-value topics, these 4 days are for gathering that specific knowledge. You will dedicate each day to 1 or 2 of the prime targets you identified. You are not passively reading, you are actively acquiring materials. Use the Feynman technique. Explain the concept out loud as if to a child. Use active recall. Force your brain to retrieve the information with flashcards and practice questions. You are not trying to learn everything. You are becoming a specialist, like the Flame Alchemist or the Iron Blood Alchemist. You are mastering the specific knowledge required to answer the questions that matter most. Phase 3, Days 7-9. High-pressure transmutation. Drawing the circle. Knowledge is useless without the skill to apply it under pressure. This is the practical exam. These 3 days are for high-pressure transmutation. Day 7. Take a full-timed past paper from a previous year. Do it in silence with no distractions. Day 8, do another one. Day 9, do a third, but the most important part comes after. You will spend an equal amount of time marking your own paper with the official mark scheme. Be ruthless. Understand exactly where you lost marks. This is where you forge your knowledge into skill. You are drawing the transmutation circle, preparing for the final act. Phase 4, Day 10. Mastery transmutation. Without a circle, the greatest alchemists understand the flow of the world so deeply, they don't need to draw a circle. The knowledge is innate. This final day is about achieving that state of mastery. Today, there is no new work. Review your failures. Go over the mistakes you made on your 3 practice papers. Create a 1-page mistake manifesto detailing your common errors so you won't make them again. Create your ultimate cheat sheet. From memory, try to create a single page that summarizes the most important principles of the entire course. This active synthesis solidifies your understanding at the deepest level. Rest. The law of equivalent exchange also applies to your body and mind. You have given immense effort. Now you must allow for recovery so you can enter the exam at full strength. Deconstruction, acquisition, transmutation, mastery. An A is not given, it is earned. It is the logical result of a structured, intelligent process. It is the law of the universe, the law of equivalent exchange. You have the formula, you have the 10-day plan. Your journey to becoming a state alchemist of your studies starts now.